In this Excel basics lesson, we explore how to protect your workbook before printing to prevent unwanted changes. During the printing process, it's common to encounter mistakes when others start editing your print areas or worksheets. To avoid this, you can apply workbook protection to lock your sheets. Start by navigating to the Review tab, then select Protect Workbook. Here, you can set a password that will secure your workbook from unauthorized edits. Keep in mind, if you forget this password, you won't be able to unlock the protection, so choose and store it carefully. Once the password is set and confirmed, anyone trying to modify your worksheet will be prompted to enter the password before making any changes. This ensures that only authorized users can edit your data and your print setup stays intact. If you need to remove the protection later, simply go back to the Review tab, click Protect Workbook, enter your password, and click OK to unlock it. This flexibility allows you to control when your workbook is protected and when it's open for editing. Applying workbook protection is a key step in maintaining the integrity of your Excel files during printing and collaboration.